Hey guys, welcome back to 52S Speedworks. This is going to be an informational thing. A customer sent me this axle and he is building a Factory 5 GTM. Now in the manual, that Factory 5, they send you the axle portion, but they don't send you the CV joint. So the manual tells you that you need to knock the CV joint off. Well, he tried knocking it off like the instructions say and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to try this tool. This tool is built to take off these CV ends. I got it on eBay. It was about $18. But that's what we're going to try with this. Hopefully this works out and we'll go from there. I have not even tried to do anything with this yet. So this is first look, first try. We're going to see how easy this $18 tool does for us. So with that, thank you guys for being here. Please press that subscribe button. If you like this video, please hit the like and let's get started. Alright, so what you need for this is you need this tool. It's a CV axle end removal tool. Like I said, you can just Google it, eBay it, easy to find. There's many of them out there. We have a very large impact gun. If this one does not have the power, I have air. We'll back that one up. We just have a little impact gun. We have a 5/8 inch socket that goes on this nut to tighten it down. And then we have whatever axle nut size you have, that's what this fits. So it'll vary from nut to nut, but that's where we go. This will work on any CV axle, according to it. And as we get closer, I'll show you why and how. All right, guys, Gilly's shown up. We're about to get working on these axles. But before we do that, I want to invite you guys to go down to the channel and check out some of our other how-to videos. We have one on how to install our boltless roll bar kit. We have an emergency e-brake video, so check out those other videos and let's get back to the action. Okay, the way that this mechanism works is it actually pinches the CV, it pinches the axle between here, and then it pushes the axle off. And there's a clip ring on the inside of this. So to get this to work, take it apart, you slide this onto the CV joint itself to where the nut just starts on there. And then what you want to do is you want to get this lined up to where these teeth that are on here line up with the grooves on the axle itself. And wherever that falls within the holes is fine. Actually, we're going to move it back one, so that we get you want to definitely be in those grooves. And we want to be up here with this. Now, you're going to want good clamping pressure on this. That way it's squeezing that axle that way that this thing cannot slide, because you need this to grip, so it's pulling on the axle and pulling it out of the CV joint. So like I said, this is the first time I've done this, so this is either going to work or it's not. Well, it's not there yet. I can actually see where it pulled the axle through here. So I'm going to reset, move this back up, tighten these even more, and go from there. All right, guys, first test didn't go well. We are now in the back part of the property. When things don't go right, what do? Well, you find a big tree, you grab a chain, get a 2500, and you do that. So, we are professionals. Do not try this at home. All right, guys, before you give me grief about doing this with a customer's axle, this was actually the customer's idea. So yeah, and here's proof.
You have a tree over where you're at?
Yeah.
Can you put a chain around it to a tree and then hook the other end to a truck and give a yank?
We can. Well, guys, it's day 2. As you saw, that ended up taking off the wrong end, and had to finish filming yesterday because just had to stop. We had a biblical monsoon yesterday, so the rain took us out. Gave me time to sit and think and go through and process and see what we could do here. I've got the rig set back up like it's supposed to be set up. So we're going to put some tension on it, and then we're going to hit the inner race. All the videos that I have seen, this should be fairly simple. I don't know why this one is giving us such a big pain, but yeah, we're going to carry on. We're going to try this, and we're going to actually try it on the other axle to see if it's just this axle. But that's what we're going with, so let's get started. All right, guys, Gilly's here. We just did a test off screen, and look at. We won. Now, through all our trials and tribulations, this one's pretty much effed. But we're going to work on getting this one, and then we'll show you that procedure of what it took. And then we'll go get another axle, and we'll go... We might do something with this. New axle, or try to clean this one up. It's not that bad. So, yeah, here we go.
You see how small that frickin' clip is, too. Goes. Or did it slip?
No, it went.
No, it went.
Okay. Alright, guys, so it just popped all the way in. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hit the back of it, and it's going to come off that way.
Huh?
Yeah! Wow. After, let's not touch the Cobra because that's really dirty. After a bunch of Gilly beating on things, we finally have 2 axle ends. Customers coming over to pick them up. I think we're going to have a t-shirt made that says, everybody needs a Gilly, because without Gilly, that wouldn't have gotten done. So, Gilly, thanks. If you guys are interested in any of this other stuff, like I said earlier, check out our other videos. Check out the videos on the build of this Cobra right here behind us. So with that, thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.